Rai baba gwikirana ase skuru ya Limuru asogo chingira obakoreri bwe skuru yo ase miaka emyemo bakoragwa no murai wense Dr. William Ruto ni gabaga kwene kibine serikali ya Kenya kwanza nebegetemero bile mikirano animono asoko beka chibe sensemo eligosira sector yekisemi nabo igo kwene kibuna abasaye ngonyora bale emirimo waigo omwaziri wekisemi Ezekiel Machugomba kini gabaka gogokera obakoreri bwe skuru yo mono ase obokokora buya ase amatemu aeta ase iranilimbia mono gochia asomurai bwense asogosira sector yekisemi mono ase bali ba uchikonyora obokonyi asogosoa ensemo ye university waigo nigo abagakuri eira gochigokora emerobelio elinda kwene kibuna omorobelio CBC oikeranire murikito Brighton Makoli no roboti oruo
umurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto ni gobono aterubune serikali ya yeheni gebegete miroberio yo kwene kuna ba Kenya nguchibare konyore miremo ase miroberio ili serikali ya bekire.
What I want to tell the people of Kenya is that for the first time we have made a deliberate, intentional plan to create opportunities for jobs for millions of our young people.
Ruto oyokwana ase skuru ya Limuru Girls ase moyega bogo chengera emiaka emyemo iseskuru ye chaka ni gaderuna.
We are also working on value addition, agro processing, that space and manufacturing. That's why I'm working with these county governors. We are building aggregation and industrial parks in every county. We are also going to develop aggregation markets in every constituency.
Asensemo yobwagachi wenyomba ayana rutabwate agoteba.
We are going to have a deliberate housing program that is also going to create for us minimum 1 million jobs.
Omurai bwense nigo anyaririga kubulia bakenya bonsi go chamo na kumosira asemiroberio eli abegete.
Mimi nataka niwaulize wa Kenya ya kwamba tushirikiane. Hii harakati yote tunapanga ni kwa sababu sisi wote tuwe wazazi, tuwe wafanyikazi, tuwe wafanyabiashara, tunajua tuko na watoto wetu.
Asensemo ya siasa ni gaderuna siasero goikegendere no nyembali bakomoche serikali yaye goikabakorebo elinde gotaburura serikali yeyo gokora amaya.
Isipokuwa na makelele then sio siasa. Unajua kanisani mumesoea order. Ukiambia mtu tusimame tuimbe, kila mtu anasimama. Hii yetu ya siasa ukiambia watu wasimame, wengine wanaketi chini. Not because they don't agree, ni kwa sababu tu ya vile siasa inaendelea. So don't worry about what is going on. Hii ni mambo. Na wale pia wanafanya hiyo makelele, wanafanya kazi yao. Wanapiga kelele kutukumbusha maneno ile inatakana ifanyike, ndio tusisahau. Na maneno hiyo ni mzuri.
Asensemo yaye omubungo kikuyu boigo urumrai bwabange asebunge.
And he requested us, Your Excellency, to contribute to our national revenues so that those who have no jobs, especially our young people, through projects like the housing agenda, we may be able to create enough jobs for our young people and even young ladies like these ones in this school, that as they leave this school to university and TVETs, they are guaranteed that their future is secure.
Umuwasiri wejisemi Ezekiel Machogu na yanekirana sensemeyo anekranyara kago togi skuru ya Limuru asoko gendera gokora buya.
Your Excellency, this is a great day for Limuru and Kenya because one of our remarkable institutions in this country, Your Excellency, is Limuru Girls.
Asensemo yejisemi omurai bwense
kushughulika na primary na secondary school. Vile vile katika marekebisho yetu ama reforms ambayo tunaendesha katika sekta yetu ya elimu. Pia TVET pamoja na universities zetu. Tumesema we are almost doubling the resources that will be available for our TVET education and for our university education.
Goripoti rigetaseni Ndizi TV iritherane Brighton Makoli.